Hi friends, Dini here. I am a paper crafter, designer, and founder of Dini Mini Blooms, a paper flower studio based in Rochester, New York. In this video, I am going to answer one of the frequently asked questions on my channel and also on my social media platforms. What is that black thing you use to attach your flowers in your panel? The answer to that is velcro, or velcro brand industrial strength adhesive, which is basically a hook and loop type of adhesive where it's composed of two parts, the smooth part and this one which has the loops which hooks to this smoother part. So basically with this type of adhesive you can remove them, or basically it's removable. That's why this is a perfect adhesive for the paper flower walls that I use for events, because I need to dismantle them. Alright, so this adhesive, or the Velcro brand industrial strength fastener, I usually get it from Amazon. Disclaimer, by the way, I had a chance to partner with Velcro brand last year for a Halloween themed project, but I've been using them before, long before I had the partnership. And we are also going to talk about the comparison between the Velcro brand and a cheaper brand, which is also available on Amazon. I was also able to test this brand, Strenco. And in terms of the strength of adhesiveness, Velcro wins this round. So when Velcro attaches to my panel boards or insulation boards, it's really hard to remove it. This one, it's easier to remove. So in terms of, durability or the strength of adhesive, again, Velcro wins. The downside with Velcro is that the tape, or the protective tape, here, is harder to remove compared to the cheaper brands. So let's say you're on site and you're rushing installing your project or installing your wall. It's really kind of hard to remove just by your nails or your fingers. So what I usually do is I bring my cutter and then I use it to remove the backing. So, with the help of a cutter, it makes this process easier. With the cheaper brand, it's relatively easy to remove. If you really need the strength of the adhesiveness or the adhesive, then Velcro is really the way to go. In terms of price, of course, Velcro is a little bit higher. So I think right now Velcro, this box retails for $17, almost $18. Currently they're out of stock of this one, but I don't know if they're gonna restock. But this, I believe, I got it for $12 to $13, a bit cheaper compared to Velcro. But again, if you need the strength, then Velcro is the way to go. Most especially for the walls, for my Nutrella flower wall that I'm gonna use again and again and again. No compromises, I'm gonna use Velcro for that one because I need to reuse it again and again. So I also get a lot of requests for me to show how I attach it. In my mind, it's you just cut the Velcro and then attach it. But honestly, I do have a system. So I have my sample right here. And let us cut our fastener. You have the option to cut it when they're attached together, or you can cut them, per side, whatever is easier for you, because honestly, it's kind of thick. So for this kind of flower, it's relatively light. So at least I'll cut 2 to 3 inches. That should carry it. And also the downside, you would have paste or the substance, the sticky substance get in your scissors. What I do clean it up using my cutter as well. So I do remove that because that would dull your scissors. That would render your scissors immobile. No, I mean unusable. But okay. So here's my system, most especially with flower walls. The smooth side, this is what attaches to the wall. And then the hook side, so this is what attaches to the flower. So that way it's also not confusing, because do remember, I do reuse my panels. So I also get that question a lot. It's do you reuse your Velcro, your panels? The answer is yes. I do reuse my panels. And with this system, it's easier because, for example, I need to change the flower, then this is just a system. So I would just I would just attach the hook side to the back of that flower, and then no matter where I attach it, it's gonna hook to this side. I hope that made sense. But yeah, that's my tip. As much as possible, use the same side on the panel and the same side on the flowers that you'll be attaching. As for the moment, I'm not gonna attach it on the wall, so I am going to attach the hook side to the back of the flower. So center, and then I remove this and then attach it to my panels. So that's what I usually do. For small flowers like this, I do just use like a 1/2 inch. For the big and heavy ones, I usually like cover the whole backing, so that's probably like 4 to 5 inches, and then like 2 of them. Honestly, this fastener will hold it up, but it's like for my peace of mind, I'm just gonna attach as much as possible fastener at the back of like that heavier rose, because it's the paper roses, the 18-inch paper roses that are kind of heavy. So yeah, that one I really like apply a lot of fastener to the back. But yes, that is the answer to one of the frequently asked questions. What is that black thing? If you have any other questions relating to paper flower walls or paper crafting in general, do leave a comment below and we will be answering that with another vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Bye!